I know a lot of you heard about the intense level of competition and bidding wars we saw in the housing market over the last few years. While that peak is behind us, it doesn't mean you've missed your chance to sell, and that's because housing inventory is still so low. This graph gives us a way to see the trend in the supply of homes for sale using a metric called active listings. Basically, that's how many homes are on the market at a time. So what does it show us? The blue bars represent where normal years in the housing market, the last couple of years, aren't in here because those were truly abnormal years. That would be an unfair comparison. The orange is this year. You can see from the orange, we're still lagging way behind the level of inventory we'd see in more normal years. When supply is so low, your house is going to be in the spotlight. That's why sellers are seeing their homes sell a little faster and getting more offers right now. If you're ready to get in on that action, let's connect. Give me a call. This is Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate. Give us a call today.